What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released a Tamil movie on Amazon Prime, Anbir Kinnayul. Sorry for mispronunciation. Before talking about the synopsis, the good thing that we will treasure from this movie is how we can develop our relationships between our family members and how we can build a foundation of trust. And overall, it's more about building a great community through our actions, deeds, and our willingness to serve one another. The story is all about a girl who is a medical or nursing student, and she has a vision to go to Canada. And she is brought up by a single father, maybe a widower, I guess so, and he is looking after her, doing everything he can do in his capacity, whereas he is just mere insurance seller. Brought her up, gave her best education, but overall sometimes it happens the clash of opinion between different generations could create a little bit rift between each other, because he is from a different generation and she is a new generation. So that's why there are some kind of clashes you could see. But overall, right now, the people are more into creating a harmony between different communities to develop a good community without creating negativity. So that's why you will really like the first 30 minutes that they took. They make up the background that she is having a relationship with a guy from a different community, and it's also not being likened by her father, whereas she is also trying for IELTS so that she can go to Canada, and at the same time she wanted to be a good breadwinner for the family, to at least support whatever the father is doing. It is his part, but whatever her part, she participate in becoming self-reliant and more helpful in the family. So she is also working at the what we call fast food franchise. It's all about chicken and similar to like KFC, McDonald's, etc. Something like this. Or she is working in the mall. So now we learn another lesson from the guy, that if you are in a good relationship with someone, you should try to adapt something that could not damage the repute of your loved ones. So you will really like it. So what happens is suddenly she is disappeared, and before she get disappeared, she was being caught by the police at the checkpost, and it was a very worse situation, because the guy was right, but his attitude was same like ruthless, because if the people in a uniform, they don't know how to behave and be kind to the situation, and they just wanted to show some kind of grudge or something, it's offbeat. It shouldn't be done. So her father comes to the police station, and then he see her, and after that they have different understanding with each other. Means like he felt like his respect is done with the community, because that's how they will know, because in our community they gossip a lot about all these things. And then what happened on the very next day, she's disappeared, and during that time, that is the most real thing that you will really like it, how she got disappeared, what happened, what are the things that made the situation more worse, and key role that our community and our members or anyone could play, but how ego just comes in the way that we don't want to do our duty or moral duty as well. And the most important thing I really like is the guy from the one who was detained, and their body language showed that how could they help others, even not talking to each other. And I hope you really like it. It's good to watch it because it's not like our ordinary drama movie, but an actual fact that happens. So we should always be kind to the people, those who serve, and especially during this time, all those people, those who are in the hospitality industry, serving industry, or whatever they are doing it. You know how much hard work they do it, and through our gestures, being a customer or being whatever we are, at least be kind to the people, those who are serving us. I hope you really like this. It's very good to watch this movie. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any other movie best to watch, kindly please recommend. So have a great day. Bye bye.